Hello traders, in this video you will find out about top 3 exchanges for cryptocurrency trading. We will talk about Binance, ByBit and FTX. Let's start with Binance and consider the most important advantages. Binance has the largest number of cryptocurrencies that the exchange offers to its clients. The exchange appeared in 2017. The number of registered users of the Binance crypto exchange has reached 8 million users. Binance is a highly secured exchange. Two-factor authorization on Binance is an additional measure of your security. For example, confirmation through Google Authenticator followed by email. Our rate of security is 9 out of 10. Concerning the exchange's plans and perspectives. In the coming year, Binance NFT will also work closely with up-and-coming and established projects, creators and partners to further develop the NFT ecosystem and bring users into the ever-growing metaverse. Another high priority is the renewal of the Binance NFT on-chain transaction network, which will improve the service to the NFT community and users around the world by offering an innovative and reliable trading platform. Among the functional features for trading, there are futures instruments that can be divided into perpetual contracts and quarterly contracts. There are currently over 130 cryptocurrencies traded on the Binance futures market. One more interesting tool is the multi-asset mode. In USDM futures, clicking here in settings. The multi-asset mode allows you to trade USDM futures using multiple leveraged assets. In multi-asset mode, margin can be distributed between USDM margined and BUSD margin contracts. Any profit earned on such contracts may be used as margin. This means that the profit of one position can offset the loss of another. Therefore, the margin balance reflects only the net P&L of positions in two markets. Another benefit of Binance Futures is its exceptionally lucrative fee structure. Maker fees can be as low as 0 and taker fees can be 0.017, allowing traders to keep the maximum profit earned. Fees can be reduced by simply holding BUSD or BNB in your account. The next exchange is ByBit. ByBit Exchange is a popular peer-to-peer Bitcoin and cryptocurrency futures exchange founded in 2018. The number of users has overcome 2 million. ByBit is one of the top 20 exchanges by spot trading volume and top 3 by derivatives. In terms of volume, it becomes clear that this exchange is focused on futures trading. ByBit offers its customers registration by phone or email. No other data is required from you to start trading. However, such principle endangers the security system. The security of that exchange is solid but lower than of Binance. Our rank is 8 out of 10. ByBit has a number of advantages that make the exchange stand out. It is a simple, accessible interface that even a crypto beginner will easily catch. The exchange is stable and safe in operation. It wasn't involved in major security scandals. Data collection for all technical support is carried out independently without the involvement of outsources, which is an additional advantage in ensuring the security of customer data. Moreover, there is a developed referral program and private shares on the stock exchange. So, the core advantages of the exchange are simple and fast registration, high leverage up to 100, the minimum contract size is $1, low fees for takers 0.075 and trade rewards for makers 0.025%. The exchange offers customers discounts and bonuses on deposits. As for the perspectives, ByBit keeps developing integrated one-stop place to host and trade NFTs, digital art, collectibles, games, the metaverse, and more. Moreover, the developers are working on P2P function, options, and ETP instruments for short-term investments. Here we see NFT marketplace with very simple interface. And finally, FTX exchange. FTX is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange based in Antigua and Barbuda. The platform was launched in 2018 by professional traders. There are 266 cryptocurrencies and 432 trading pairs on the coin platform with over 1 million active users. FTE has 3 levels of KYC verification, which differ only in the withdrawal limit. Finally, the exchange is quite reliable in terms of security. Our rate is 9 out of 10. FTX has a tiered fee structure for all futures and spot markets, with the minimal of 1.7 for taker and 0 for maker. As for plans, crypto exchange FTX will launch a gaming division. The developers encourage game publishers to incorporate cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and NFTs into their products. FTX, unlike ByBit, has a very wide range of trading instruments that are available. This include classic spot trading, tokenized stock trading, leverage tokens, derivatives, Bitcoin volatility contracts, Bitcoin hash rate futures, options, and even prediction tokens, like Trump 2024. Leverage tokens are ERC20 tokens that imitate the movement of the underlying token but with a predetermined level of leverage. For example, if Bitcoin rises by 1%, then BullUSD 3x long BTC token will rise by 3%. And if BTC falls by 1%, then it will move 3% in the opposite direction. There are 3 types of leverage token: bull, bear, and hedge. These tokens will automatically rebalance, meaning that the tokens will reinvest profits and sell part of the positions to reduce leverage in case of losses. Very interesting and useful. To conclude, the advantages of FTX include a variety of trading tools, low commissions, fast deposit and withdrawal of funds. Now let's talk about pairing. Each of the exchanges could be paired with Syscalp trading platform, which you can download for free through the link under this video. To pair your exchange account with the Syscalp, first you should create APKs. Let's see how to do that on the example of Binance. Here we click to API management. Here we see the API key and secret key. We enable spot and margin trading and enable futures. We open the Syscalp. Here in settings, we enter API and secret key here for spot, connect. The same we do for futures. Here we enter API key and secret key and connect. This is how we pair your exchange account with Syscalp trading platform. Let's choose BTC, the most popular crypto. Regardless the exchange account you pair with Syscalp, the functionality for trading through the platform is always the same. You can put limit orders like that. You can also put take profit and stop loss orders. Add workspace, add tabs with new order book of any instrument. You can also add chart of any instrument and set your working space outlay as you wish. All the limit orders we are placing here are displayed in Binance. Let's check it. On this tab, we choose USDM futures. And here we see our position and open orders, take profit and stop loss. Please share your favorite crypto exchanges in the comments below. The video was prepared by the Syscalp trading platform team.